Hey there, I'm Lisa from here at HubSpot, and welcome to the latest edition of the Product Spotlight. In this video, my fellow HubSpotters and I will walk you through this month's biggest and most exciting HubSpot product updates. We've got a lot to cover today, so let's get started.
Duplicate data leads to bad experiences both for your team and for your customers. For your team, duplicate data can lead to inefficiency. Muddled email marketing lists, disconnected sales data, messy support tickets, and more. If duplicate data is bad for your team, it's even worse for your customers. They might get the same marketing email multiple times, have 3 different sales reps reach out, or have 2 onboarding consultants assigned to their company. With customer expectations higher than ever, poor experiences caused by bad data will lose you business. Oh, and keep in mind, duplicates cost your company real money. According to the Harvard Business Review, bad data costs companies around the world $3 trillion a year. Today, all of that changes. You've got a brand new tool that uses artificial intelligence to find duplicate contacts and company data in HubSpot. Here's how it works. Navigate to your contacts or company's home screen. Then click Actions and go to Manage Duplicates. You'll be taken to a screen that lists pairs of records that are likely to be duplicates. If it looks like the 2 are in fact dupes, you can find, review, and merge them. If not, you can dismiss them. When you accept or reject a pair of duplicates, you're providing feedback to the machine learning model, which helps it improve over time. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? That's the new duplicate management tool, and it's now available for all professional and enterprise accounts across all hubs. Check it out.
For those of you who use HubSpot's API key for custom integrations, you may have struggled in the past to scale your API calls to your business's needs due to HubSpot's API limits. Here at HubSpot, we love to watch you grow. That's why today I'm excited to report we've increased your API key burst and daily limits. What exactly does that mean for you as a HubSpot customer? Well, you're going to be able to scale and grow your usage of custom integrations at the same rate that you scale and grow your company. You can learn more about these API limit increases on our product update blog using the link in the description below.
Hi, I'm Nate from the product marketing team. Email marketing is an essential part of any marketing team's day-to-day. But on top of email marketing, you'll also be running other campaigns, writing content. The list goes on and on. For you to do your job and your best work, you need efficient tools that help you get the job done faster, regardless if you're a small or large business. Here are 3 updates to the email tool so that you can more easily execute email marketing campaigns directly within HubSpot. First, for those who have just started your small business, you might not have your own company domain email address yet. You could be using a free email provider to run your small business like Gmail or Yahoo. If you were using a free email provider, you previously weren't able to add those emails to HubSpot because HubSpot blocked sending email from these addresses due to DMARC policies. Smaller businesses should still be able to run email marketing campaigns. Now, you can include any of these addresses to send marketing emails in HubSpot. We enable this by changing the from address of the email to a HubSpot email address, which bypasses DMARC policies. Don't worry, you'll still receive replies to your email address. Second, we've improved the from name and from address inputs in the drag and drop marketing email editor for all Marketing Hub customers. This update introduces a slightly redesigned interface with the intention of making it easy for you to select your from address and send emails faster. Third, we've updated the way you can clean up your unsubscribed and bounce contacts to improve your email deliverability. Before, it was impossible for you to differentiate between the types of bounce classifications, which led to some good contacts being accidentally associated as bad. You also had to perform complex Excel work to delete the bad contacts. In HubSpot, simply navigate to the email tool. On the bottom left, click on More Tools, then click on Export Unsubscribes and Bounces. Select your criteria for the export. You'll download the Excel file and filter down to the desired contacts. In this process, we've added more information to let you more easily know which contacts are bad, so that you can re-import them into HubSpot to delete them.
That's all for today, folks. As always, if you can't get enough HubSpot product updates, you can check out our product updates blog using the link in the description below. Also, keep an eye out for our monthly newsletter that highlights some of our most exciting product updates to help you stay informed. We'll see you next month.